Introductions. Basic writing is an essential foundation for me in developing good writing skill. This course also helped me understand how to write properly and effectively, such as constructing effective sentences and creating well-structured paragraphs. During my journey in learning basic writing, I also realized that it's not just about stringing words together, but also about how we can convey message and express idea through writing in an engaging and easy to understand way. Meeting summaries. In this course, I have completed 14 meetings. In each meeting, I discussed important topics. In the first meeting, I was introduced to what basic writing is. During this meeting, I also shared my experiences in school regarding what I already knew about writing, including the methods and foundations of good and proper writing. In the second meeting, I was given an assignment about English part of speech, where I identified the sentence and answered the questions provided. In the third meeting, I learned about English phrases, which helped me understand and differentiate the functions of the 5 types of English phrases in a sentence. In the fourth meeting, I studied and understood English sentence type verb purpose with the video. In this session, I learned about the differences and purposes of each sentence type, such as understanding the purpose of interrogative sentence, which are used for asking questions. I was also given a quiz on English sentence type verb purpose. Through this quiz, I was able to assess how well I understood the material. In the fifth meeting is a group feedback. I learned to share opinions and understanding about English sentence types verb purpose. During the sessions, my group Blackpink gave feedback to the ice cream group. In the sixth meeting, which was about group feedback, I conducted classes through online classes where I had to submit assignment through the chat room for basic writing. In the seventh meeting, I had examinations. Alhamdulillah, I got a score of 88. Even though my score only that, I'm still grateful for the results of my efforts. Hopefully, I will get more satisfying score in the final exam. Amin. In the eighth meeting, I analyzed and writing the simple sentence. During these sessions, I understood what a simple sentence is and how to identify the differences and characteristics of a simple sentence. In the ninth meeting, I learned about simple sentence and compound sentence. In these sessions, I identified and understood the differences and characteristics of this sentence. During these sessions, the lecturer also gave exercise, which 1. Rearrange the sentence, 2. Identify the sentence type, 3. Combine sentence, 4. Rearrange with a twist, 5. Error corrections or combining sentence. The lecturer then directly reviewed the answer to this exercise. In the 10th meeting, I learned about simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. I was provided with a video and was required to understand and explain the video, including the differences between each sentence types and their characteristics. In the 11th meeting, I studied writing simple, compound, and complex sentence or short paragraph case study. During the sessions, I deepened my understanding and knowledge of the differences and the correct structure for effective and proper writing. In the 12th meeting, I was given an assignment through a quiz, which is very important to assess how well I understand the material and to identify areas that need improvement. In the 13th meeting, I was tasked with crafting a paragraph composite of multi-types of sentence. From this meeting, I learned to identify and differentiate various types of sentence. The assignment was individual, but I submitted it as a group task using polio paper. In the 14th meeting on project offering, I gathered in class to discuss the upcoming final exam. The lecturer provided several options for the exam and explained procedures clearly for the project I will be working on. Materials reflections. All the materials provided, such as video, quizzes, and assignment, were highly beneficial. For example, the video on sentence types helped me visualize the differences between simple, compound, and complex sentences. The quizzes allowed me to assess my understanding and identify areas for improvement. Writing samples. From this picture, we studied about English sentence type by purpose, and my group gave a feedback to other group by explaining this material. Future goals. In the future, I want to improve my writing skills by practicing regularly and deepening my understanding of what the lecturer has explained to me. I also wish to apply what I have learned and understood from the materials provided, like the future goals that I will achieve. For the first, mastering the basics of writing. I will achieve by understanding the use of punctuations, grammar, and sentence structure, or writing simple sentences that are grammatically correct. For the second, expanding knowledge through reading. I will achieve by reading short articles, stories, or informative texts to understand writing styles. The third, mastering writing for various purposes. I will achieve by writing simple notes such as to-do lists or short message, or creating brief descriptions of experiences or feelings.